check this out. I got a package from Fritz Meier in Germany. He's a dear friend, and he sent some goodies. I have cut this open already, but let's see what's in here. Hi, Jim. I'm curious if you like the surprises. If not, they're for the challenge boxes. I hope you have lots of fun with everything. May creativity be with you, Fritz. Yes, I need some creativity because lately my creativity has been on a funk. It has not been doing all that well. Oh, geez. As you may have noticed from the lack of videos of builds I've been doing, because there haven't been builds I've been doing. So let's see. It looks like he bagged everything up. Wow. Oh, this is cool. This is an old Lesney F1 Ferrari. That's cool. I love these old castings. And this one, it's nice. It has both pipes. That is nice. See that? Oh, that's cool. You can see the radiator grill inside of it. That's designed really well. And it has all 4 tires. This would be fun to do and hopefully somewhat easy to do because my mind is in an easy place right now, or needs to be in an easy place right now. Let's see, what's this? Interesting looking. Oh, it's a Corgi Juniors Grand Prix racer. That's cool. It has almost like a sci-fi look to it. I'm sorry if I'm off center on the camera here, but I'm kind of sitting somewhat sideways, I think. Another Corgi Juniors Guy Warrior truck. Huh. That's interesting. You've seen me do a number of Corgi Juniors over the years. Well, not compared to Hot Wheels, but I've done a lot of them because I love them. There's just something about the Corgi Juniors castings that I really enjoy doing. And so I'm thrilled to get... Oh, wow. Matchbox Superfast number 70 Dodge Dragster. That is cool. Oh, check that out. It has the supports to hold it up. I think I'm doing that wrong, but somehow I'm doing this wrong. But it has the supports. That color's got to go. I mean, it's cool. If it was a painted pink, that'd be really cool. But this casting, I've always laughed at this casting. It's just fun. It's just such a fun casting, yet I've never done one of them. This one's in pretty good shape. This is the Matchbox Mini Haha, number 14. I remember doing some minis, not the Mini Haha, but some minis early on the channel. And I'd get, I can't remember who the commenter was, but he'd always post, "No mini left behind." And then I started posting that too. Mercedes-Benz ambulance. That's just such a classic casting. That is cool. ICXV race. Now this is funny because this one, for some reason, always when I see it, this is the Lomas ambulance, Lesney. When I see it, it always makes me think of the Rent-A-Set van as well. And I was just discussing this Rent-A-Set van with someone else. There's a bunch of XV racers in here. Jeez. Fritz, you sent way too much stuff. Way cool stuff. Not that you need to send anything, but you sent a bunch of cool stuff. Matchbox Superfast Swing Shot Dragster. That is cool. That is nice. What are these? Huh. It looks like there's a couple of these. Yeah, two similar things. Oh, it's a Siku. S-I-K-U. Ford F500, made in Germany. That is cool. It has jewels for the headlights. It's missing one little jewel, but that's easy enough to redo. Huh. That is nice. The glass is in perfect shape. I'm running out of room here over on the side. Let me scoot some of these. Let's look at this one. Yeah, this is also like that other one. That's another Siku, Ford F500. Wonder what I should do with that. I'm sure I can come up with something. Oh. This is a Matchbox Superfast number 7, Harry Hustler. You gotta love that name, the Harry Hustler. I don't know that I've ever had one of these. It's weird. It looks familiar, and yet it doesn't. I'm sure. Oh, well. Now I have two of them. This one, the glass obviously didn't survive as well as this other one. This one looks kid painted, doesn't it? Yeah, the red that's on there isn't original. I wonder if this base, if the color is original. Huh. It does look it. That's interesting. Yes, I'm saving the XV racers for last. I restored, kind of sort of restored, one of those a while back. Hot Wheels XT3 vehicle. Rubber tip? Yeah, kind of sort of rubbery plastic tip. Tiny front wheel. That'd be cool to come up with a different, almost like an Air Force kind of livery or an air carrier livery for that. Make it look more like an airplane than a car. XV Racers. Jeez, Fritz. There's like a, oh, before I get to that one, let's do this. What is this? Oh, this is another Harry Hustler. It didn't even look the same to me. That's interesting. That's really interesting. I'm sorry, I'm drifting off camera. I can tell because I'm kind of sideways here at the bench. These are XV Racers. I think they're, oh, well, maybe one of these. Here, let's open this one. So this is a not XV Racer, one more. This is a Danny car. It's a Hot Wheels apparently, but it's called the Danny car. Huh. That's interesting. The back wheels are different sized, with the largest at the very back. That's an interesting look. Now, XV Racers. I'm sure you can tell I'm excited for these, because I did restore one of these. Oh, there you go, XV Racer. I did restore one of these a while back, and when I say kind of sort of restored it, it was because, as I recall, I don't think the mechanism still worked when I was done. I think, if I remember right, I put different wheels on it and changed some things. I'm not sure exactly what work I will do on these, but I love these XV Racers, and I can't explain why. They're peculiar looking little things with, the odd wheels and the motorized inserts. This one looks like its engine was broken a little bit. Yeah, oh yeah, there you can kind of see side by side. This one's seen a little bit more play wear. But I want to do something with them. And I don't know if I just want to do some straight restorations on them, which I don't know that I do. I can cast for this one another back half of the engine if I want to keep that engine. I don't know if I do. Do I just want to pull the kind of guts out of it and just have it free roll? I don't know. It's hard for me to say. Actually, let's save those for later. Let's do these because this is the same style. See, this is the same style as this other one, just a different paint scheme. But they're such cool little cars that Hot Wheels came out with. And it kind of, there's so many different little variants of the Hot Wheels that they came out with over the years. Like the crack-ups, like the flip-outs. They're older. This is what? This is, I think it says 1986. So that gives you an idea how old this actually is. And to get kids to play with them. And just to be a little different. And so you have to love these. And I really appreciate that Fritz has collected up a bunch of these to send to me. Because for some reason, I just find them so interesting and different. This one's in really good shape. Wow. The livery and everything are in really good shape on this. And then here's another one of that same body style. That you can see here, the same body style on those two. So there you have it. Honestly, Fritz, I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Like if there'll be restorations or if there'll be customs or what. I'm not really sure. This one will probably be a restoration. I'm guessing that'll be a restoration, pretty much. But for everything else, the mini ha-ha, I gotta do something with the mini ha-ha. So there you have it. Thanks so much for all of this, Fritz. And you know how much I love the XV Racers. We've talked about it before. They're fun to me. So thank you so much for sending these. I truly appreciate it. Everybody, I hope you've enjoyed this look at these castings. And for some of you, if this is your first exposure to the XV Racers, well, now you know something else to look for out there. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Thanks again, Fritz. These are great. And catch you in the next one.